History of Christmas. Carols were first sung in Europe thousands of years ago, but these were not Christmas carols. They were pagan songs sung at the winter solstice celebrations as people dance around stone circles. The winter solstice is the shortest day of the year, usually taking place around 22nd December. The word carol actually means dance or a song of praise and joy. Carols used to be written and sung during all four seasons, but only the tradition of singing theme at Christmas has really survived. Christmas celebrate the birth of Jesus, then started to be celebrated at the same time as the solstice. So, the early Christmas started singing Christian songs instead of pagan ones. In 129, a Roman bishop said that a song called Angel's Hymn should be sung at Christmas service in Rome. Another famous early Christmas hymn was written in 760 by Comas of Jerusalem for the Greek Orthodox Church. Soon after this, many composers all over Europe started to write Christmas carols. However, not many people liked them as they were all written and sung in Latin, a language that the normal people couldn't understand. By the time of the Middle Ages, most people had lost interest in celebrating Christmas altogether. This was changed by Saint Francis of Assisi when in 1223 he started his nativity plays in Italy. The people in the plays sang songs of canticles that told the story during the plays. Sometimes the choruses of these new carols were in Latin, but normally they were all in a language that the people watching the play could understand and join it. The new carols spread to France, Spain, Germany and other European countries. The earliest carol like this was written in 1410. Sadly, only a very small fragment of it still exists. The carol was about Mary and Jesus meeting different people in Bethlehem. Most carols from this time and the Elizabethan period are untrue stories, very loosely based on the Christmas story about the Holy Family and were seen as entertaining rather than religious songs. They were usually sung in homes rather than in churches. Traveling singers or minstrels started singing these carols and the words were changed for the local people wherever they were traveling. One carols that changed like this is Saw Three Ships. When the Puritans came to power in England in 1640s, the celebration of Christmas and singing carols were stopped. However, the carols survived as people still sang them in secret. Carols remained mainly unsung until Victorian times, when two men called William Sandys and David Gilbert collected lots of old Christmas music from villages in England. Before carol singing in public became popular, there were sometimes official carol singers called waits. These were bands of people led by important local leaders who had the only power in the towns and villages to take money from the public. If others did this, They were sometimes charged as beggars. They were called waits because they only sang on Christmas Eve. This was sometimes known as watch night or wait night because of the shepherds were watching their sheep when the angels appeared to them. When the Christmas celebrations began. Also at this time, many orchestras and choirs were being set up in the cities of England and people wanted Christmas songs to sing, so carols once again became popular. Many new carols such as Good King, Wenceslas were also written in the Victorian period. New carol services were created and became popular, as did the custom of singing carols in the streets. Both of these customs are still popular today. One of the most popular types of carol services are carols by candlelight services. At this service, the church is only lit by candlelight and it feels very Christmassy. Carols by candlelight services are held in countries all over the world. The most famous type of carol service might be a festival of 9 lessons and carols, where carols and Bible readings tell the Christmas story.